Introducing the ReLife Power Tower. Every kit comes with additional spare parts. Assembly is easy with all tools provided. Keep bar holders facing inside. You can put together the power tower by yourself or with help from a friend. Remove wooden plug before you put on the back support. The height of the pull-up bar is adjustable. Set it to your preferred height. Simple twist locks keep the power tower stable. You can do pull-ups, chin-ups, dips, knee raise, push-ups.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Impact. This is the Apex Power Tower. And I'll tell you what, I'm excited to get on here and do some compound movements. So let's get going. So the first exercise we're going to hit on our power tower are what I like to call roly-polies. It's a great ab developer, as well as core, low back, internal, external obliques, rectus abdominis, and transverse abdominals. So let's give it a shot. It's going to look like something like this. Elbows are going to go on the pad. We're just going to try to roll our knee to our shoulder. Keep your core nice and tight the whole time. Try not to slouch with the shoulders. Try to tighten everything. I suggest trying to do as many as you can, 2 to 3 sets, and rest for about 60 seconds in between. Give it a shot on your power tower today. Another great compound movement you can hit on your power tower are just standard dips. This is going to focus on the triceps, the chest, shoulders, and core. It's going to look something like this. Lower yourself down to 90 degrees. Fire up, squeezing the chest, triceps, and shoulders. Keeping the core nice and tight. I suggest you hop on your power tower today and hit those dips. 3 sets, 8 to 12 repetitions, anywhere between 60 to 90 seconds rest. One of the greatest compound movements for overall back development is the pull-up. But first, we need to get our power tower locked and loaded so we can do pull-ups. We're just gonna raise the arms, take the pin and secure it in the hole. Now we're locked and loaded to hit some pull-ups. Pull-up is one of the greatest movements for back. I suggest you get on your power tower today, hit anywhere between 2 to 3 sets to failure, 60 to 90 seconds rest.